Hello YouTube, welcome back to my garage. Today we're gonna look at a mod that I've done to support the tilting rear clam kit. So I did not come up with this mod. Actually, if you go on Lotus Talk, there's a username Jet Blast who did this, and I basically replicated it. He has his own video up showing how easy it is. I just wanted to do a couple more shots of here, but the mod is to install these struts, and the way it was shown on the forum there's a specific type of bracket that he made, and these are it installed. So I have the clam up right now, but I can show you that it makes it really easy to put up and down. As you can see, I can like guide it one hand. In fact, you know, it does kind of self-support itself. Like right now I can have it partially way up, and it does allow me to kind of operate it from the side, not needing two people. Let's show a little bit. So the let me open up the rear here. So previously I only had one side, and I kind of had the bracket not really being made well, so it does tend to bind up when I had it on one side. So with this setup, it is basically, as soon as you unbolt the 4 bolts, the rear kind of just pushes up by itself, and that way you only focus on tilting it back. So let me open and close it and have a view from the bottom here, and then show you what it does down there. So one good thing about this mod is I can be on the side here, and I can work this cover up above the roll hoop structure, and then come to the back and just focus on lifting it straight up. I don't have to kind of try to work the front or have 2 people on the side to help me. So here it is. I'm pushing in the down position. As soon as I let go, you can see that the clam comes up a little bit, and then you can kind of see how that operates there. Now let's go under the car and see what that looks like under the car. So we're under the car. I want to show you the bracket that they had in the forum thread post there. This is what you'll end up doing. I made this out of stainless, 1/8" stainless flat plate. You know, cut this out and then drilled the holes. All the hardware here is from Amazon, just M8 hardware. There's a standoff coupling nut. The strut is also from Amazon. It's a cheap, like $20 I think for 2 of them. See how long that lasts. There are more expensive ones, but I figured I tried with the cheap ones first. And then you'll drill a hole into the BOE clam hinge bracket here. So really happy with this. It makes it a little easier to navigate. I don't have the cat, so the catalytic converter sits right here, and then there's a U-pipe bend. But every measurement I've taken should fit on the thread I reviewed there, and they should fit. And yep. So anyways, if you guys have this kit, you should really think about doing this mod. Helps out a lot with putting it up and down. I'm going to end this video right here. So wrap up the supporting mod there from last winter. Something I should have did in the first place. instead of struggling this year with putting it up and down. All right, well, thank you guys.